Apple leaks it all, and we have our first look at one of the key features of the iPhone 15 Pro series design, introducing the new Action button. This will be replacing your traditional iconic mirrored switch that we have seen on previous iPhones since the very first iPhone. And now, thanks to iOS 17, we now know what kind of features this Action button will allow users to do. According to the details coming straight from the iOS 17 source code, the new Action button will allow you to do 9 functionalities. This includes silent mode, flashlights, shortcuts, voice memos, accessibility, camera focus mode, magnifier, and translate. Judging from this, it seems like the Action button is going to be a lot more powerful than initially expected. Some of these functions are very self-explanatory, but many of them are unique to the iPhone, such as running any shortcut from the Shortcut app right from the press of a button. The possibilities seem endless. After seeing this leak coming directly from Apple's iOS 17 software code, there should not be any doubt on anyone's mind that the Action button is indeed coming. So rest in peace, the classic mute switch button. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Also in the news, it is happening. This was rumored for a long time that Apple will be increasing the prices of the iPhone 15 series, and now we have more sources with good track records saying the same thing. Yes, people, this is how the pricing of the iPhone 15 series could pan out. $799 for the iPhone 15, $899 for the 15 Plus, $1,999 for the 15 Pro, and up to $1,200 or even $1,300 for the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Basically, we could see a $100 price increase for the 15 Pro and up to a $100 to $200 increase for the 15 Pro Max 15 Ultra model. With that being said, the justifying aspect of this price increase for the Pro series could be the higher starting storage option, which is now expected to be 256 gigabytes, pretty much replacing the 128 gigabyte option from last year's generation. Lastly, for those who can't afford the iPhone 15 Pro or the 15 Pro Max, the standard iPhone 15 and 15 Plus are going to see their biggest camera upgrade in the last 5 years. Yes, a non-Pro iPhone 15 series are coming with the bigger 48-megapixel sensor that we currently have on the 14 Pro and the 14 Pro Max. This news is coming from Digital Jack Station, who has a great track record. Very likely this is happening for the iPhone 15 and the 15 Plus. As for the Pro models, they will be utilizing newer camera sensors that will have better capability in low-light situations, along with a new and more powerful camera ESP coming thanks to the S17 chip. That's all the latest news. Let me know what you think about the new Action button coming to the scene. In my opinion, there is a lot you can do with it. Again, by the time we reach September when Apple officially announces the 15 series, there could be more functionality added to this list. Subscribe if you're new here. With that being said, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.